Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. It's my pleasure to be here at UPCC. I'm Abdallah Mahrous, a proud graduate of Weill Cornell Qatar Class of 2015, currently an attending of ophthalmology in Cornell, New York. It is wonderful to be back. First of all, I would like to thank the Medical College for initiating this great initiative of this great conference that brings together all the primary care specialists and also brings a lot of the medical specialists that can provide a lot of input and updates on current guidelines. And it's very wonderful to see this great conference being organized by amazing organizers. I've heard from my colleagues and classmates great things about the very first UPCC that was done a few years ago. They believe it's the third year, and it's my first time attending, and I'm blown away by all the great things that I'm seeing in terms of content, posters, lectures, and amazing networking amongst not just the primary care specialists, but also the other medical subspecialists that have attended and provided their excellent knowledge and updates, which is great to see amongst all of our colleagues. It's a very wonderful environment. It's a very knowledgeable environment, and it is very helpful for our own graduates and for all of our current faculty and current primary care specialists to keep up to date with all the current knowledge. Thank you very much for inviting me. It's a pleasure and an honor to be here, and it was wonderful giving a short talk, and I hope to always contribute as much as I can to these great initiatives from Weill Cornell Medicine in Qatar.